So, I was surfing the web this past weekend. I was using the application Instagram.
IG, for short.
Mm-hmm. And it was Sunday, and that was Father's Day. And I was really moved by all of these posts that I saw in my newsfeed featuring my friends' fathers. And I wasn't necessarily moved by the beauty of their words or the retro photography that they used.
Which was dope.
But mostly the fact that there were no fathers tagged in the vast majority of the Father's Day posts.
Dads don't have Instagram.
Dads don't have Instagram, which led me to wonder, who are they posting this for? And so this song's called For All the Likes. Here lies Grandma, she lived such a good life.
She's dead.
She lived through the Great Depression, which I heard wasn't super tight.
It wasn't super tight.
Pictures next to the casket show me how much she has done.
A lot.
She marched alongside MLK, she even flew on Air Force One. And if it wasn't for Grandma, I wouldn't be half the man that I am. So when I got to the front of the line, I took a selfie with her for my Instagram. I got a shit ton of likes.
Got a shit ton of likes.
Got a shit ton of retweets.
Got a shit ton of retweets.
I got a ton of brand new followers. My engagement was super sweet. Hashtag RIP.
R.I.P. Hashtag deadass.
Hashtag miss you.
Hashtag guardian angel.
Now my dad won't talk to me. He said he didn't like that little stuff.
Such a dick.
I'll tell you who liked it, Dad. My new followers, all 31. So I went to the mountains to blow off a little steam. I hiked all the way to the summit, and the view was so serene.
That was a bird.
That was a bird?
Yeah, it was a bird.
Have you ever heard a bird? Where's the whistling guy? Bring him. Looked out at the horizon, thought of the words of Maya Angelou. Hey, that would make a dope caption. So I set my camera on a timer, struck a yoga pose, and posted that shit to my Instagram too. I got a shit ton of likes.
Got a shit ton of likes.
Got a shit ton of retweets.
Tons of retweets.
Got some of that sweet social media engagement and that sweet release dopamine.
Okay, so stop. So that's actually a crazy thing. So when you get a like or a retweet, you get a dopamine drip. And you get a dopamine drip when you have a social interaction or you're given some sort of pleasure, right? And so since you get retweets and since you get reposts, it simulates social interaction. So you get a dopamine drip, right? And so you get that dopamine drip when you have alcohol or cocaine or anything like that. And so literally people are developing addictions to social media. People are starting to check into rehab facilities. This is dead ass serious. People are really doing this. It's not a joke, a joke, a joke, 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 a joke. Jokey, 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 joke, a joke, a joke. It's not a jokey, 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 joke.
I just want attention. I'm posting all of the time. I once stole a baby, took a picture with it, and then pretended that it was mine.
Hashtag new dad.
I'd do anything to scratch my itch. I sucked Guy Fieri's dick for a repost and a sandwich. He's got like a lot of followers.
And he's got like such a sensitive palate.
He's like 700,000.
God, yeah, he's like drivers, diners, and guys, or whatever the fuck.
Instagram if I did that.
He's got his balls are also bleached.
I'm sucking all the dicks.
He's sucking all the dicks.
Getting all of the reposts.
Getting all the reposts.
I got a brain full of dopamine and a belly full of.
Come on, everybody!
Do it for the likes.
for the retweets, do it for the likes, for the likes, for the retweet, tweet, tweety, 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 retweet, tweety, 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 follow us on Instagram at Bala and Shlementi, S-H-L-E-Menti. Like me, 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 like me. But come on, he's Guy Fieri, right? Right, like that's fucking. You would have done it. He's such a sensitive ballad. Hashtag Flavor Town.
Yes!
Andy Valenti, everybody!